Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube. Welcome back to William in Japan. Yesterday we had a typhoon, and finally, although it is very cloudy, we have a bit of a break with the wet weather. And thankfully, that is the greatest timing, because this week is the Japanese Grand Prix for the MotoGP. And of course, all the riders are in Japan right now. And we are going to meet Jack Miller. Stay tuned. Here at Dainese Daiba, looks like only 2 or 3 people is in line. So let me make a quick U-turn and wait. Oh, let's see, it's 8:50 at the moment. The event starts at 11:30. So what? Approximately 3 hours. It'll be a long wait, but hopefully it's worth it. Love to meet Jack in person. Yep, only 3 people. Okay, let's park the bike. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Right guys, as you can see, number 4 for Jack's event. Well, Jack right now is having interviews and photo shots with the media. I'm planned for 11:20. That's still around an hour. Bit of time to waste, so see you when we get back. We are turning. Hey Jack.
How are you?
Welcome back to Japan.
Thank you, it's good to be back.
Yeah.
Can you pull it tight for me?
Sure, of course.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Okay.
Man, good luck in Motegi.
Thank you very much.
I think the weather's not going to be great.
That's alright, we don't mind a bit of rain.
Good luck, man.
Take one of them.
Right, thanks.
Thank you.
So guys, that was Jack. Good luck for him this weekend in Motegi. Weather is definitely improving, and hopefully it will be a dry and safe race for him. Got his poster, got my t-shirt signed. Unfortunately, he won't be in Ducati next year, but best wishes to him. Anyways, this has been William. A very, very quick video with Jack Miller. See you next time. Bye bye.